Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have this. I guess it's Profer is the brand, and it is a tempered glass phone case and screen protector. So there's that, and it says, "You are awesome." I am awesome. Just kind of there's the information on it and a little barcode thingy. But I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you can get one for yourself as well. I have an iPhone 12 Pro is what it is. So that's what I'm going to be using it with. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you me putting it on right now due to the fact that I have my phone is right there. But we're going to look at the case anyway, and I'll update in the description and comments if there's any issues with it. But okay, so there's everything out of here. So let's see what it comes with. It comes with little cleaning wipes here. So that's so I can clean it before I put it on. Screen protector display suchi. I guess that's the different language for it. And I guess this is gonna be some of the instructions. Yeah, the instructions are there if you wanna see that and there. But let's take a look at what the stuff that comes with here. So this is it. So it comes with a little, looks like it comes with 1, 2 of these little tempered glass screen protectors. And I'm just gonna hold it up to my phone to see how the size works. So I'm gonna say this is going to fit pretty well edge to edge. I mean, I have it over it now because I was using one before that was an iPhone 11 screen protector, and it was too small on it and it was driving me crazy on the edges. So I'm looking forward to using this. This is tempered glass, so I can't really bend it or anything like that. But when I put it on over there, I mean, it's got the plastic on it, stuff like that, so what you're seeing is weird. But it does work, it does fit the whole thing, so I'm looking forward to putting the screen protector on. And now let me put that back in here for right now, because I don't want to bend it. And now let's check out this case. So what I liked about this case, well, you can see in there, it's got that, but look at this case. It's kind of a nice looking case. It looks pretty nice and durable, but it also has this little flip out little thing here, and it kind of, you see, everything's beeping around here, but you see it's got flips out and rotates and stuff, so I can use it as a little stand so I can watch my shows or whatever that way. Or if I'm just typing on it, I can stick my finger in there and type on it, and when I'm done, just fold it on back up through there, and there it's gone, so people don't have to, so I don't have to see it. And what I liked about it, you can see it's got a super slim profile on that little apparatus, so it barely sticks out. Like some of those things, like I've looked at some of those pop socket kind of things, and those things make your phone stick out so far, so I didn't like that. And I've used some of the straps, but they're hard to get my finger through when it's there, so I'm gonna give this one a shot and see how this one works. I think it's gonna work pretty good. If you look at the case, you can see it has a little lip right there, so what that means is it's going to be the case is slightly deeper than the phone, which is going to be good. So if you drop it this way, you don't smash your screen. If you just drop it on something smooth, if you drop it in rocks, who knows what'll happen. But so I like this case. It seems pretty good. It's got a little flex to it, so it's got some comfort to it. It's got the color is, I don't know what color that is, if it's blue or purple or something. But I'm colorblind, so for me it doesn't know. If it's too girly, then my friends will make fun of me anyway, so there we go. But I like this. It's a nice little case. Seems pretty good, seems pretty sleek and nice, so thumbs up for me. And I like the way it comes with the case, and you get 2 of the screen protectors even too, so you get to drop it a couple times before you really have to go and find another screen protector somewhere else. So I like it. So it's the Profer one, and it's got a little QR code. I don't even know what happens if you scan that. I'll have to try that later too. But I like it, so thumbs up for me. And I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.